Hello, everybody. In this video, we're going to show you our perfect upload checklist. So this is the step-by-step checklist that we use to make sure that all of our videos are the best that they can be. And so here's how we do it. And then you'll see some stuff that's optional here. We'll talk about all of that as well. So the perfect upload checklist. So anytime we're going to upload a video, we always start with what is our most profitable keyword. So anytime we put a piece of content into the world, we're trying to help people, and we're trying to figure out what are they searching for, and that's what we call our most profitable keyword. So as you grow your YouTube over time, you're probably going to have the same 3 to 5 most profitable keywords if you're being really aggressive and you want to really dial in your strategy. So, but for one video, you just want to choose one most profitable keyword that you're going to create. And then as you do your titles, you want to make sure your title has your most profitable keyword in it. You want to make sure your description has your most profitable keyword in it. You want to make sure that your tags has your most profitable keyword in it as well, and related keywords. And we're going to show you later how you can do all of this stuff at 100% best possible score. So don't get overwhelmed. It can be a little bit overwhelming at first, but your most profitable keyword is the anchor for all of your perfect upload checklists and strategies. So then for thumbnails, we'll go through the strategy, how you figure out what does the perfect thumbnail look like for this video and this specific keyword. We're going to show our playlist strategy, how we use a video, how we put them on playlists, our scheduled upload strategy, so how we schedule videos, that's really important. And then both calls to action, so the free gift call to action and the YouTube engagement call to action, and then an end card at the end of the video, and then a 20-second outro. So the video goes a little bit longer, which allows you to have those videos on the end card there a little bit more than if you don't have that 20-second outro. And then the bonuses, if you are doing emails, we always schedule an email whenever we're going to upload a video. So send it to your email list. Hey, we're going to upload a new video to YouTube. Go check it out. Schedule your social media posts. And same deal, post on Facebook. I'm going to upload a new video or upload a new video. Click here on YouTube to go see it, and then actually send them to YouTube to go do that. And then we actually need to add one more breadcrumb on YouTube community tab. And so a breadcrumb is just a little post that says, hey, I'm coming out with a video tomorrow. Right. So once your video is all uploaded, you'd post on your community tab prior to the video being available, just a little breadcrumb. So, hey, I have this cool video coming out tomorrow. Keep an eye out for it. Take a look. And then lastly, the pinned comment call to action. So you'll see when we go into some of the details that we always pin a comment on the bottom of our YouTube videos. And then that gives people an opportunity to get on our email list and then move up to the next part of our business, whatever our business is. If it's just YouTube, then your pinned call to action can be back to a different YouTube video or a playlist. But as a bonus, you do want to have this here. It's an opportunity for you to get more engagement for your video. So the perfect upload checklist, that's what it is. Your most profitable keyword, title, description, tags, thumbnails, playlist, upload, scheduled upload, free gift call to action, YouTube call to action, end cards, and then your bonuses, email scheduled, social media scheduled, breadcrumb on community tab, and then pinned comment on your video. So that is the perfect upload checklist. That should help you make sure that all of your that should help you make sure that all of your videos on YouTube are more powerful and you get all of the things needed to make sure that they're fully optimized. And like I said, in the later trainings, we're going to go into how we get all of these as optimized as possible. We're going to go into the details for each one. So we'll check that out. We'll see you guys in the next video.